way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you, but you remind me of a girl that I was with. See your face whenever I look at you. You won't believe she put me on. This is why I just can't get with you. Thought that she was the one for me.
Hey everyone, it's the Tastemaker and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then you are going to want to hit that subscribe button because I review affordable hair all the time, affordable wigs, and I also review human hair as well. So if you aren't into synthetic wigs, don't worry because I have some human hair wigs that I do make here on my channel. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram because I post dope pictures all the time, and I'm on Snapchat on a daily basis, so don't forget about following me on Snapchat. This video is sponsored by samsbeauty.com, so if you haven't checked out Sam's Beauty, they are an amazing online web store that sells a lot of human hair wigs, they sell synthetic wigs, they sell a lot of different types of hair and hair products and tools. So if you are interested, the link will be down below, of course with the link to this wig directly if you guys are interested. This is the blue black color, so if you guys are interested, this is $2 more than the normal price, so that leaves this unit ranking at $42, which is definitely affordable no matter what budget you're on, whether you are a high school student, whether you are a college dropout, it doesn't even matter. Anybody can afford this wig. That's the one thing that I love about shopping on samsbeauty.com is that they have so many affordable units no matter what price range you're looking for. They have really inexpensive wigs like this one that are amazing. They're human hair like. This one has, I would say, like a yucky texture, as you guys can see, and you guys can see that blue color in the hair. I would say this is about 12 inches. It can't be any more than 12 inches. I don't think it's like 14 or anything like that. This is the side part here, and then I'll turn around. There you go. Other side. The shipping time takes about 3 to 5 business days. Mine took about 3 business days. It came fairly quickly. So if you are in a rush and you need this hair for a special event, you don't have to worry about it being late because it will arrive really fast. The standard shipping amount is $4.99, which is very affordable. $5, no problem. They do ship internationally as well. So if you are one of my UK subscribers or you're out of the country, out of the US, you don't have to feel left out because Sam's Beauty does ship internationally. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, how I got my hair like this, I am going to be showing you guys the baby hair in this wig. All of those details will be in this video. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today we're going to be trying out a wig from Sam's Beauty, right? Alright, I feel like I've already said this. So here's the box that it comes in. I have opened the box because I wanted to see what it was because, yeah, why not? So when you open the good old box, oh, I took out the plastic too. Okay, I guess I was really excited to see what this is about. The plastic is in here. This is the plastic all balled up. So the actual thing comes in here. I haven't actually taken the wig outside of the box. I just wanted to peek and see the color because I wanted to see like, ooh, is it really blue? So this wig is from the company The Stylist. This is a Swiss lace invisible deep part lace wig. This is another bob for you guys. You guys really like bobs, so I wanted to bring another one to you, but one with some color in it. So this is it. This is in the color OTB black, so I'm thinking it means blue black. This is the design poker straight bob, and if you see here that little flat iron there, it says it's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees, so that's pretty much like the maximum on any flat iron anyways, so I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Oh, in the back it has a little bit of information on it. It says it has versatile styling, natural looking scalp. We'll see about it. It says flawless appearance, hidden knots. Huh, hidden knots, huh? So did they bleach the knots or something? Let's see about it. Okay, and then it says maximum manageability. So maybe that means that it's going to look very natural and you will be able to manage it because it won't tangle as much. That's what I get from that statement. So it also says that it's 100% hand tied. It's a 4-inch deep invisible part. The parting seems to be curved there. And it says it is soft Swiss lace. So it's soft and skin-friendly Swiss lace. So you guys always want to know about that anyways, whether or not it's hard lace or soft lace. So I'm just opening it up from here. I literally haven't taken anything out yet. Just pull this out of here like that. And as you guys see, everything is still wrapped up. I haven't unwrapped anything. Ooh. Oh, this one's different. This one has like a little foam here. That's pretty cool. So then they just have like these little clear things. I'm just going to take those off. I wonder if I should start keeping this stuff or just buy doll heads. I don't know. So I'm going to take the net off of here. Bam. Ooh, that is going to be so nice. Okay. Okay, Blue Black. I see you trying to push through, honey. Okay. So this wig off top is very lightweight. I like that. It seems to be very full, too, as I run my fingers through it here. It's extremely full, and it feels a lot fuller than some of my other wigs, so that's great. And let's see, it has combs, of course, the typical combs. Do you guys even care about this stuff? Yes, it has combs. It has combs. Who cares about the combs? We don't even care about combs. We care about the strap in the back. At least I do. So here is the parting space. You only get that much parting space. There isn't a whole bunch of lace on this wig. It says that the knots are invisible. I don't know. I see knots, man. I can definitely see the knots, bro. But whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do my typical. You guys already know. I cut the card off. I cut the lace off. When I come back, I'm going to have some baby hairs. Or maybe not. We'll see. I'm going to put the wig on first and then see if I want to do baby hairs or not. And then if not, then we'll go from there. So far, though, I'm loving the texture. How you guys feel about this color, though? This color is really nice. Wow. Okay. So let's get to it. I'm excited. So typically my wigs, they always end up shedding in the front, obviously, because that's where I'm cutting the lace off. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just pulling out all of that hair that might have came out from me cutting the lace, because I always overcut the lace. I never cut like right where the actual hairline begins on the wig. I always kind of cut on the hairline. So that's why I have some shedding right now. But the wig was not shedding when I first received it, or when I first like the back part is not like shedding. I don't have any hairs coming out the back. So that's good. I love the texture of this hair so far. It's very soft. And like I said, it's nice and thick. And I like that already. So let's go ahead and put her on. Ooh, and it's lightweight. So that's even better. Definitely I am going to need to pluck the part a little bit or put something on it. Now, this wig is meant for girls with big heads or something, not girls with small heads. Because it is a little loose in the back. It's not like as tight. Like if somebody wanted to, they could snatch my wig off. So here she is out of the box. Now you guys already know, boo, this ain't gonna work. But let's just initially talk about the actual wig before I go into altering it in any kind of way. Obviously, I am going to need to flat iron this. So even though it is thick, I don't want it to be that thick, honey, no. So yeah, off top, you guys, I'm loving the color. I love the ombre. I love the fact that it's not like straight across. They actually took their time out to ombre this hair. But this color is bomb. You can't say you don't like this color, because you do. I know you like this color. I still got hairs falling out. Okay, you guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat iron this hair. I am going to flat iron it on the screen with you guys. But before I do that, I am going to cut some baby hairs in this hair. Because that's just what I do. You know what I'm saying? What am I without baby hairs? Nothing. So I'm just going to comb the wig out. You guys see how nicely it combs out? And this is with a rat tail comb, which is a very small tooth comb. So that's how you know this hair is boom. I love the cut of it as well. It is a nice asymmetric cut. Boom. There she is. The other side. This hair is really freaking soft. I'm really freaking surprised by this hair. I thought it was gonna be cute. Don't get me wrong. Like, I was like, it's gonna be cute. But I didn't know it was gonna be this cute. Like, you know, it's just kind of shocking. So anyway, here's the parting space. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna like pluck the part or whatever. It might be easier to do this if I look in the mirror. So I'm just gonna start plucking this part. It's kind of wiry like that. I might just pull them. Now, when you are pulling the strands out, just make sure you are taking very small strands and try not to pull too hard or tug too hard, because if you do, then you'll rip the lace, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to take a little section. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Now did it? Got to take smaller pieces. Or maybe because if I can hold my head. There we go. Right now I'm letting my flat iron preheat while I do that. I currently have it on 380. I'm going to turn this up to 400 degrees and see if it's true to the 400 degree flat iron test. So this is a Remington flat iron. I believe this one is about 2 to 3 inches or something like that. I don't know. It could be more, it could be less. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to rip those pieces out of there. Take it far back. Now, I do like the parting space on here. I like the fact that it goes pretty far back. Maybe I should take a little less. Hopefully, I'm not ripping holes. I think I just ripped a hole in the lace. Oh, yeah, I sure did. Hey, it's all right. You know, a little hole never hurt anyone, right? Right. Or did it? I don't know. Maybe I should use my little razor. It might be easier. Oh. Yeah, that's so much easier. That way we can widen up that part a little bit. So I'm only going to make it that wide in the front, but I'm not going to do the rest that wide. But yeah, why didn't I just use my razor all along? Crazy girl. What's life without mistakes? A lesson not learned. I am going to start making some baby hairs now. I'm not going to make some dramatic baby hairs. I'm just going to do like some little babies. So I'm just going to take a little piece from the front here. That's actually too much. Oh, actually, that's pretty good. So I know it looks crazy, but the thinner the amount of, well, the thinner the hair, the better the baby hairs look. Okay. And my wig is not secured that well. So, yeah, like I said, the thinner the better. You guys have seen me do this a lot now. But for you guys who are new, now you guys get to see how I do these types of things. Alright, so now that I have this thin strand like this, I'm going to use that razor that I had earlier, this one here, and we're just going to gently go across that hair and cut us some baby hairs in it. Okay, boom. That was easy. So because I don't have any water with me, I'm just going to use some mousse. And I'm going to put that on my baby hair area right here. Just to wet it up a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to start making us some baby hairs. It's very simple. I'm actually going to take some of this and put it on this side. And this is like messing up my foundation, but you know, hey, we got more of that. There's more where that came from.
Wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby. White folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey, baby. Stun with a stack of them dubs. Hey, baby. Riding in the lack with a move. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Now when I holler, hey, baby, I'm finna get my groove on. It's so hot up in the club that I ain't got no shoes on. Holding up a big stack of them hundreds in a rubber band. So don't ask me for no cash, cause I'm not that other man. Everybody tripping cause I'm lipping when I'm walking, and I'm pimping when I'm talking. I don't trick on chickens often. Know them boys in the back, they be rolling up they doty, then they flowing till they choking. This one got
a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna comb my hair out. And then of course, like you see how we can still have like some of our hair back if we wanted to. Like we don't have to have it all up front, whatever. So you guys are always asking me how to do my baby hairs, and that's how I do it. So now I'm actually gonna go through and flat iron the hair. So I am going to use this rat tail comb and my flat iron. I do currently have it on 400. You guys probably can't even see that, but it's on 400 right now. I don't know, maybe you can kind of see it. I don't know, but yeah, so it's on 400. So now I'm going to get this front piece here. This is a little bit thicker than I would do for a flat iron, but let's just see what happens. if I can get my ends combed out. I noticed when I was doing my baby hairs, maybe because I was cutting pieces or whatever, but the ends only in the very front are getting tangled. But that's the only tangling that I have experienced so far. So I'm just going to get this first little piece here, get my flat iron, and flat iron the hair. And this is on 400 degrees, you guys. Boom. Okay. So after doing that, it seems to be fine. It actually has a really nice sheen to it. So I do like that. So now I'm just going to do the rest of this side. And then I'm going to do this side and then compare it to this side and see like what it looks like.
And when I see a bad chick, I'm hollering out, hey baby, y'all ain't with y'all boyfriends, cause I don't care what they say, and I don't care what he say or she say. I'm in the DJ booth taking pictures with the DJ. You wanna know what we say? When clubs get crunk, what? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up, okay? You wanna know what we say? When clubs get crunk, what? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up, okay?
Okay, you guys, so this is what the hair looks like flat iron on 400 degrees. I only did one pass through. I didn't do anything crazy versus this side. So this side is just a little bit more, I would say, silky. So I'll put both so you guys can see the difference. You see how it actually has more of a shine. It helped the shine come through. And to me, it's not like the Barbie kind of shiny. And I like the way this hair moves. As you guys can see, it moves amazingly. I am going to like comb some of it so that it's not like straight down. But overall, and then this little piece right here, you guys see where it's crimped. If you guys look in the video, when I was doing my baby hairs, I accidentally wiped freaking gel in my hair, so that's why it like looks a little weird right there. I'm gonna try to fix it though, because I was like, darn it, I got freaking gel in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the rest of my hair, and I will be back.
Know what we say in the club, hey baby, white folks, gangsters in the dub, hey baby, stunning with a stack of them dub, hey baby, riding in the lack with a move, hey baby, I'm in the club hollering, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, I'm in the club hollering, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, I'm in the club.
Okay, you guys, so this is the hair all straightened out. As you guys see, this side is freaking amazing. It looks great. I love this bob. Now this back piece, I do feel like I want to kind of curl it in a little bit and not let it be so bone straight back here. I'm just going to try to bump the ends if possible. We'll see if it's possible. So I'm just gonna curl it at the ends. And yeah, it did work. Okay, good. Just so it's not like super like bone straight. So yeah, you guys, that is the whole application process. Can you flat iron this hair 400 degrees? Yes. Does it look amazing? Does it still feel amazing? Yes. And you can obviously curl the end so it's not like super bone straight. I did get gel in my hair over here. Let me just see if I was to pull this piece back and out of the way. Okay, that's actually a little better anyway. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. So all in all, I give this wig a 5 out of 5. The movement is absolutely amazing. You guys know I like wigs that move. I like movement. I like wigs that feel very realistic, very natural, not like super synthetic-y, stringy. This hair is amazing. It has a nice thickness, a fullness to it. The color obviously is great. The ombre on this wig is amazing. And it feels really soft to touch. Once you guys buy it and you guys try it out for yourselves, you guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about when you try this wig out. But this hair is ultra bomb. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending me this amazing unit. And I can't wait to hit the city and go rock this wig. You know, it's like, you know when you look good and your hair look good, like you just want to go everywhere just so everybody can see you and compliment you on your hair and your outfit. Is that just me? No, it's you too. So if you guys want this wig, definitely click on the link down below to purchase this unit. And until next time, bye.